Hey, AI enthusiasts and content creators, welcome back to AI Genius, the channel where we unlock the secrets of artificial intelligence and digital creativity. If you're new here, I'm AI Genius, and today we have an exciting topic that's perfect for all you aspiring viral video creators out there. How to make viral shorts with a sunset background. Creating viral content is an art, and using the right background can make all the difference. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to leverage the beauty of sunsets to create engaging, share-worthy shorts that captivate your audience and boost your views. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest AI tips and creative tricks. Ready to make your shorts go viral? Let's get started. The first step is to find a sunset background for the video. We will find it on Canva. As you can see, we are now on Canva. Canva is also good for editing and making videos. Go to the search bar and select YouTube Shorts, because we need that video size. Type sunset background into the search. As you can see, you don't have to pay for Canva Pro because there are free videos available that you can use. Choose your favorite, set it as the background, and download the video. Step number 2 is finding a quote for your video. You can use a quote you know, one you have seen in other videos, or you can Google one. After you find the quote, we can create the video. You can use an AI voice or just add music. I'll show you examples of both. Nothing change if nothing change. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button, drop a like, and turn on notifications to notify you every time I release a video.